everybody home. Well, this is a fairly steep section. So you get to the top of a steep section and there's a gate and it levels out a little bit. We're about 20 minutes in, very pleasant flat section, and we can see up ahead over here that it starts to go uphill again. Hopefully there's a nice big clearing at the top so we can really enjoy the view. Arrived at a very bent gate. Apple Watch says 2.23 kilometers, and we're 40 minutes in and we've gained 144 meters in height. Meters up. Don't know if this is the top or not, but I saw a little clearing, so I've just walked through the bush about 50 meters to take in the view. But over my shoulder I can see the O'Hara Islands of O'Hara Beach 1, 2 and 3, and after that is Snake Bay, so I'm suspecting we must be pretty close to the top. It's traditional whenever I come walking with Catherine that I point out the summit of each mountain or hill we go up at least 20 times before I get it right. This is about 7th time I've said it must be near the top. 7th time I've been wrong. I think we're at the top. Pretty beach pointing back the way we came, and the Mountain Road car park down that fairly overgrown track. This is definitely the top. As lovely as that is, we've just spoken to a cyclist who was telling us that there's no decent lookout. We're just going to go around this next bend and have a look before it starts going down the hill and see what the view is like. Just bumped into a couple of people who are on the same walk as us, and we were walking to the top, and Catherine asked them if that was the top of the mountain, and they said and if there were any better views, and they said no, if you go on for another 400 meters down and then back up again, there's a water tank and a grassy track and you get views all the way back to Pretty Beach. So we're going to go and check that out now. There's another water tank at the top of the hill, a little concrete one in the ground, and a track leading this way. Windy walk through the bushland and get your way down to this rock next to this tree, and you get that view. 10 out of 10 for that view. Just flown the drone, got some absolutely epic shots. The view up here is mind-blowingly good. All the better with a bit of height with the drone, but still really nice at ground level too. And now we're going to turn around and do the 5-kilometer walk back to Pretty Beach. Yes, we are. Hey Skip.
Hello, beautiful.
What's up, Skip? What's going on, mate? Jimmy, stuck down a mine shaft again. Bad old Jimmy. Lead the way then, Skip. Let's go.
Look at his ears, he's so cute. Oh, there's no one there.
Oh yeah. Captain Underpants over here.
Staring right at us.
Staring right at us. We didn't see him. That's funny. If stating the bleeding obvious, it's a lot easier going down the hill than it is going up the hill. We're just talking, we reckon like a little sea spout or tornado came through here. None of these trees are burnt, but they've been snapped off at the tops, and it looks like it came down this way and through here. Pretty cool, unless you were standing here at the time, of course. Back at the bent gate, we're both wondering what the hell hit that to put that big a bloody dent in it. If it's something that roams these woods at night, I don't want to meet it. Oh, payback down the super steep section at the start. Oh, back to the mystery mobile. And that brings us to the end of another awesome armchair adventure. A spur of the moment walk up Durras mountain. Catherine and I scaled the summit. We conquered that mountain. We did it.
And now we're dead.
And now we're completely dead. We went for a very refreshing dip on Pretty Beach, and now we're going to go and get some ice cream and go home. Anyway, if you have not been to the Panoramic National Park, mouthful that it is to say, then it's highly recommended. It's a beautiful part of the Panoramic.
I thought you said Murrumarong.
Panoramic. It's hard because I'm quite dehydrated. Anyway, come here, go to Pretty Beach, walk down to Singing Stones and Snake Bay and walk up Durras Mountain, although it's quite steep. It's absolutely sensational views from the top. So until next time, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed this armchair adventure. We'll see you next time on this channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye. Say bye, Catherine. Bye.